Hi guys, it's Swati and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film for you guys this Christmas look and I really enjoyed filming it and I really like it because it's Christmas, it's all white and red. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation in shade Tawny. I'm gonna apply this all over my face with my finger and then blend it with a damped beauty blender. Make sure there is no creases and you can do this with a face brush also. So using Makeup Forever HD Loose Powder, I'm gonna set my foundation with a buffer brush to make sure everything is set, and I'm not going really heavy on the skin so it's not gonna look too cakey, but just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take Victoria's Secret's Neutrals Eyeshadow Palette and I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is sparkly brown, and gonna apply it on my outer corners of the eye. I'm gonna apply it up till the mid of my lids. Next, I'm gonna mix these two shades, Tawny Pink and Smoky Luxe, and starts applying on the inner lids of my eye. Next, I'm taking this warm vanilla and mixing with the Barely Pink and applying in the inner corners of my eye, and then taking a blending brush, blending everything together. Make sure you blend everything nice and smoothly. I'm making sure I'm covering the crease. So next I'm gonna go with the same shade, Barely Pink, and apply on the brow bone area. With a smudging brush, I'm gonna take the sparkling brown shade again and apply it on my lower lash line to give it a smoky look. So now I'm gonna blend everything again at the outer corners of my area to give it a bit definition. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit shimmer. I'm using NYX Roll-On Shimmer and I'm gonna apply it on my lids. You can apply it directly or blend it with your hands or use a brush. I'm repeating the same thing on my another eye. Just making sure everything is blended nicely. Now I'm gonna line my eyes using Rimmel eyeliner. And I'm just gonna create a little wing. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face using L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick. And I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. Make sure everything is blended smoothly and nicely so no lines are seen. Using the NARS palette, I'm gonna highlight areas under my eyes. And little bit also on my forehead and nose. Now I'm gonna use the bronzer. I'm not going too much with the bronzer because I want to keep this look little subtle. Now I'm gonna use the blush, Dolce Vita. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight upper planes of my face using the MAC highlighter, just to add a little shimmer on the face and that dewy and glowy finish. Lining my lips using the Rimmel lip liner. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and mix two shades of lipsticks. One is MAC Russian Red and another is Dior Addict shade 551. So applying the MAC Russian Red first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Dior between the lips to give it a little bit shimmer and orangey shade. So this is the finished look, guys. I changed my top. I was going for a turtleneck and it's white. It's from Zara with little buttons. Here are gold buttons. And my gold earrings. So I think this completes the look. So I hope you enjoy it. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon so you can get the notifications whenever I'm gonna upload any new video. And yeah, enjoy this Christmas season and holiday season. And for now, bye bye.